40 millimeter blue mine with brocade comet, packed 51. Number 2 is a 40 millimeter gold strobe mine with red comet, packed 51. Number 3, 40 millimeter blood red mine with silver wave comet, packed 51. Number 4 is a slice 5-shot blue mine with blue cross set instant fan, packed 10-1, 5-shot. Or not. Let's see if we get the 5-shot gold horsetail instant slice, 10-1, 5-shot Dominator Pro. Nope. You got a slice to shoot out there, guys? Go ahead, hit the next one. We'll see what it is. All right, snafu in the field. Let's try again, starting with Dominator 1. Looks like they've mixed them up. Blue mine, brocade comet. Okay. Shoot the next one, we'll try to figure it out. Tom, tell me again where you are. All right, that was definitely number 6. Let's try 7. 25 shot instant crackle fan cake, 125 shot. Number 8, 25 shot red crown cross set Z-shaped cake, 4-1, 25 shot Dominator Pro. Number 9, 25 shot silver strobe waterfall fan, 4-1, 25 shot. Number 10, 49 shot red, white, and blue scrambling comet, packed 4-1. Number 11, 49 shot, 30 millimeter Nishiki fan cake, pack, 25 second duration, pack 2-1. Number 12, 36 shot howling whistle with red tips to report. 15 second cake, pack 4-1.